Hey, what's going on, crew? It's your boy Serrano. There's this company called CZC, and they sent me the V2 TWS headphones, which are actually right here. They come with volume control when you tap 3 times. You also can get wireless charging on here, and you can see the LEDs, so it tells you the battery percentage. The battery lasts really good. It has a lot of cool features on it. The charging time is only 1 hour. And I found that to be really accurate as well with these. These are definitely going to be one of the best pair of earbuds you can get for around $40. Make sure you check out the video and the full review, unboxing and review that I did on these. But a few months later, they did go ahead and reach out and send the SZC actually sent out the V8 TWSs, which is another version. Now, these have similar features, but they don't have the wireless charging feature. And the only thing that's going to be different as well is that they're going to be they're not going to have that LED, but they're going to have this thing on the front, which is basically going to be it's going to actually show you the percentage instead of just a few lights that tell you like indicate where it's actually at. That you'll get a better accurate idea of how the battery is going. But right now, from 0 to 71 right here took around 35 minutes of time, as you can see. So so it's at 72 now, and it's probably gonna hit 100% in around an hour, like it does say on the box. But the only thing that's different so far I noticed is that I know that these don't wireless charging feature, but there's gonna be some different features right here. You see when you open it up, you get red light, blue light inside of here, but those actually turn off when you pair it to your device, which we're gonna do. Alright guys, so we're pretty much gonna pair these things for the very first time. Let me go ahead, unlock my device with the fingerprint. Then let's go ahead and go on down to Bluetooth, where we're gonna just long press right here. We're gonna find that if we open these right now, that you can actually get you can see right here, it does tell you the battery percentage right here, but we're gonna do a scan real quick. So let's just hit that button. It's actually gonna scan for new devices now, and you're gonna see right here that we're gonna be looking at the V8, which is actually pretty cool. So these are also IPX5 waterproof. They offer the wireless charging case, built-in mic. You can use these for work or sports, or just basically you can actually use these for driving too, and exercising, watching TV, or anything like that. But they're sweat proof and also very ergonomic, which I'll show you right now. So let's just go ahead, unlock the device, and click the V8 right here down at the bottom. It's actually gonna connect to your device immediately, and now that it's connected, you can see that it's showing the volume right there at the top. Now the thing about these is they have that wobble feature right there, which is kind of cool, and you can get an idea of left and right percentage too. So alright guys, so the thing that's pretty cool about these things is that when you pop the top and open it up, it actually automatically connects to these things, which is sick. So let me go ahead, pop one of them out on the left side. I heard a beep, and these fit really well. You could hear a bell kind of thing go off, but the shape of these things slides dead center into your ear canal, and you hear a beep, and they actually sync up to. Just play some music. Let me see what I want to listen to. Let's throw on some of my music. Wow, that sounds really good. Alright, we're gonna listen to a tribute song, R.I.P. Another great one. Let's turn that up a little bit. The bass is just hit. Let's turn that up a little bit. Okay, the bass hit again. Turn that up a little bit. We lost another great talent way too soon. Way too soon. Let me see. Worst behavior, Drake. Oh, you get volume controls with these as well. Watch this. They don't even say that. It's kind of cool that you get this case which comes with it, which also offers the charging right here of where they're at. It took about 30 minutes or so for them to get to 72%, which is crazy. But the sound is really good. Let me switch the song. Okay, something more. Let me jump into Nipsey. I actually listen to him every day. He's with me and in spirit every day. So let's play that. Perfect timing. Come to a conclusion. Overall, these are a definite go. They have a really good sound quality and sound system. Overall, you're getting a really good sound experience, which is going to be parallel, if not a little bit better than some of the other earbuds that I've been using in the same price point. But these actually hit real well. The LED indicator, which shows the volume, is shows the battery is crazy. They have a really comfortable fit. I don't even notice these are in my ear right now. Let's test out the latency on some of the videos that I'm going to be watching with these when I'm watching YouTube. I watch a ton of videos every single day, but let me just watch a video from the channel right here and just see if these are actually sick or not. But you know what I mean? I'll just throw, well, those are loud. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, let me see if there's any discrepancies with the lips matching the words or anything like that. Nah, there's no latency right now. I'm not sure if it's gonna just be the videos. You know, I didn't see any discrepancy with the videos, but overall these are a definite go. In my opinion, they sound really good for songs. But let me just throw some more music on real quick. Let's see. I'm gonna put some Pop Smoke on, another song. We're gonna put it on shuffle. And let's just have a moment in silence. Check the room. Alright, y'all. I'll check y'all on the next one. But if you found this helpful in any way, hit the like button, show your support, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified for more videos just like this. But I appreciate every last one of you. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Later, crew.